Hello guys, hope you guys doing well. I'm sure you guys have done the last oops assignment, the first assignment. So this is the video for the solution for that assignment, the create a car class assignment. Now let's check out the code for the assignment. Create a car class assignment. Right. First, we need to create a car class with .color.mileage instance attributes. What it says, create a car class with two instance attributes. Color, which stores the name of the car's color as a string. Mileage, so we need to have colors and mileage as a instance. Class car. Now def underscore underscore and it underscore underscore self color mileage. Self color is equal to color. Self dot mileage is equal to mileage. The color and mileage parameters of int are assigned to self color and self mileage, which creates the two instance attributes. Now you can create the two car instance. Now you can create the two car instance. I'll execute this. Now I'll create blue underscore car is equal to car, color is equal to blue, comma, mileage is equal to right, red underscore car is equal to car, color is equal to red, mileage is equal to 35,000. I'll execute this. What we have, unexpected mileage, mileage. So our spelling is wrong. Mileage. Let's execute this, right? So you got to be careful with these spelling mistakes. The blue underscore car instance is created by passing the value blue to the color, right? To the color parameter and 15,000 TP, the mileage parameter. Similarly, red car is created with the value red color and the mileage is 35,000. To print the color and the mileage of each car, you can loop over a tuple containing both objects. So, to print the color and mileage of each car object, you can loop over a tuple containing both the objects, right? It's for car in blue underscore car, comma red underscore car, print f of the car dot color. Car has car dot mileage, right? Miles, right? The f string is the above for loop inserts the dot color and dot mileage attributes into the string and uses the colon comma format specifier to print the mileage grouped by thousands and separated with a comma. Let's hit the shift enter button and see the result. Oh, we have an error. Nothing to worry. Car object has no attribute mileage. I think we have a gain spelling mistake of the mileage. M-I-L-A-G-E. M-I-L-A-G-E. Enter. Now we have the blue car has 15,000 mileage. The red car has, so we have run into a loop for this, right? So it print the car.color. Car.color is blue first time and second time it's red. First time mileage is 15 and 30,000. Right. This is how simple it is, and this was our assignment. What we are expecting, your output should look like this. The blue car has 15,000 mileage, the red car has 35,000 mileage. The blue car has 15,000, red car has 35,000. Right, guys? All right. This is the solution for our OOPS concept assignment, what I have given in my previous video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. All right. I'll see you in next OOPS section. Take care. Bye bye.